From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of sleeping on a bed that's just not adjusting to your needs, all because your remote control has given up on you? Well, I've got the solution right here, and it's the replacement remote control for Serta by FQOUG. This top-rated remote control is the perfect replacement for your Serta Signature RC-WM E02 adjustable bed base, and it's a game-changer. With its perfect compatibility and replacement, you can expect seamless performance, just like the original remote that came with your bed. The best part is, if you're replacing your old remote, you don't have to worry about pairing it with your bed, it's already set to go, but if you do need to program it, the process is straightforward. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice. One of the benefits of this remote control is its reliable service guarantee, which gives you peace of mind knowing that if you have any questions or issues, you can contact the team and they'll respond promptly to resolve your problems. The remote control itself has a smooth texture and a solid feel in your hand, and when you press the buttons, you get a satisfying click that lets you know your command has been registered. The result is a bed that adjusts to your every need, providing you with the perfect night's sleep. In real-life use, this remote control is a lifesaver, especially when you're feeling tired and just want to adjust your bed without having to get out of it. It's also great for people who share a bed, as you can adjust your side of the bed to your liking without disturbing your partner. This remote control is better than others because it's specifically designed for Serta beds, so you know it's going to work perfectly. Overall, I highly recommend the replacement remote control for Serta by FQOUG. It's a worry-free solution that will, as always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.